I got called out to take a look at a little 3080 door that's been leaking. You just simply replace the frame and see what was actually causing the leak because so much time was invested in this thing, and the leak wasn't fixed. This was a pretty simple one though. It was a little surprising what was missed. The exterior brick mold on the outside of the door frame didn't have caulking around it, and then on the back side, this is the big part. This is the big part of the leak to me. They were trying to silicone these corners and add seals in here, and that was only going to accomplish so much. It was never going to actually fix the problem because there was a sill pan back here. It was installed, but the back edge of the sill pan was cut completely off, and there's no caulking underneath the door sill. So when there's no caulking under here and the sill pan's cut off, it actually funnels water into the house. I don't know who cut the sill pan off, but the install of the door was probably decent right up until the time that somebody cut the back of the sill pan off. So I've got the top half of this door frame cut away, and like I said, I'm pretty certain there's no caulking under there because the sill pulls up pretty easily. But I can go ahead and just pull this frame out. Should be able to. Got some insulation there. Oh, and look at that. I was correct. There is zero caulking along the bottom of the door sill. We've actually got water sitting on the pan here. So that water will, it'll just, when it becomes, gets to too much water, it's just gonna drip right off of the back of this and right into the house. And homeowners saying that they're getting drywall damage downstairs. Well, no wonder. The back edge of the sill pan is gone. So I think we can certainly improve the situation that they have here.